Welcome to our channel, where we will explore the incredible power of prayer together, and how it can transform our lives. Hello, and welcome to our video dedicated to Saint Rita of Cascia, the patron saint of impossible and desperate causes. Today, we will share a powerful prayer to Saint Rita, seeking her intercession and help in our moments of need. Join us in this prayer and feel the comforting presence of Saint Rita in your life. Prayer to Saint Rita of Cascia. O powerful and glorious Saint Rita of Cascia, called the advocate of desperate cases, helper of the last resort, refuge and salvation in pain that drags one to the abyss of sin and despair, with all confidence I turn to your power with the Lord. Deign, Saint Rita, to take my cause to heart and intercede with God to grant me the grace that I so desperately need. State your request here. Do not allow me to leave your feet without being heard. If there is any obstacle in me that prevents me from obtaining the grace I implore, help me to remove it. Wrap my request in your precious blood, in your burning prayers, in your merits, and take it to the heart of God. You who were so loved by Him, bring my prayer and my pain to His heavenly throne. I will be grateful for my entire life, and I will eternally sing the mercies of the Lord. Amen. Saint Rita of Cascia is known as the saint of impossible and desperate causes, and many faithful turn to her in moments of great need. May her intercession bring peace and help to your life. Thank you for joining us in this heartfelt prayer to Saint Rita of Cascia. May her powerful intercession bring you peace, hope, and the grace you seek. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more spiritual content. Stay blessed, and may Saint Rita continue to guide and protect you. Amen. If you liked the video, remember to like, subscribe, share and activate the bell.